In this video, I'll show you how to use StatCrunch to find the percentile that corresponds to a particular value in a data set. We'll use the chocolate chip cookies data. And I'm going to go ahead and first thing I need to do is sort my data. So I'm going to go to data and I'm going to go to sort. And I'll use the Chewy data again. And I need to sort by the data values in that column, and I'm going to put it in a new column. Alright, so let's say now, for instance, I want to know the percentile that corresponds to the number, let's say 21. So what I do now is I say, okay, first of all, there are 32 data values in the data set, and how many are less than 21? And I see there are 23. So 23 over 32, and let's go over to our definition of the percentile, the number of data values less than the one we're interested in, divided by the total number of data values, and multiply that by 100. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 100 in here first, and then I'm going to multiply, and how many do we say were less than it? Let's go back over to the data set. So I'm interested in the value of 21, and I notice there are 23 that are less than that, so it's going to be 23 divided by the total number, which is 32. So 21, I'm sorry, let me go back for a second, 23 over 32. 23 divided by 32. And if I pull up my calculator and I go ahead and I do that calculation, so 23 divided by 32 and then multiplied by 100. And we always round up, so we're going to say that this is going to come out to 71.9. I'm going to put that in here, 71.9, but it's actually going to round up to be the 72nd percentile. Now, I can actually check this now. If you remember, if I go to Summary Stats on the columns, and I'll go back to the Chewy, and all I really want to do here is let's check and see if that really is the 71st percentile. So if I put in 71 here and compute, and it comes up to be the number 20, which was in fact the number that I was doing down here. So I have a way to check it. So now you have a way to actually calculate for a particular value in a data set what percentile corresponds to it. So just review quickly. The first thing you need to do is sort the data from smallest to largest, count up the number of data values less than the value you're interested in, and also need the total number of data values, and then do the calculations shown here. The number of data values less than the value you're interested in divided by the total number of values multiplied by 100, and you always round it up.